Not all positive change feels positive in the beginning. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about overcoming negative self-talk on your journey towards positivity. Enjoy. Change, especially when it leads to personal growth and improvement, often starts with discomfort. This initial unease is a natural part of the process, signaling that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Think of it as the growing pains of personal development. When you embark on a new journey, whether it's changing your career, adopting healthier habits, or altering your mindset, it's normal to feel a sense of discomfort or uncertainty. This discomfort is not a sign that you're on the wrong path. Rather, it's an indication that you're pushing the boundaries of your familiar territory. Embrace these feelings as part of the change process, knowing that they're stepping stones to achieving your goals and improving yourself. Embracing the uncertainty of new beginnings is a crucial step in making positive changes in your life. When you start something new, it's natural to feel a mixture of excitement and apprehension. This uncertainty can be daunting, but it's also where the magic happens. It's a space filled with endless possibilities, where you have the opportunity to grow and learn. Instead of resisting this uncertainty, try to lean into it. Approach new experiences with an open mind and a willingness to explore. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. So, embrace the uncertainty of new beginnings as an adventure, a chance to discover new aspects of yourself and the world around you. Adopting a growth mindset is essential when facing challenges. It involves seeing challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. With a growth mindset, you understand that setbacks are a natural part of the learning process, and you're more resilient in the face of adversity. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," you say, "I can't do this yet." This subtle shift in thinking opens up a world of possibilities. It encourages you to persevere, try new strategies, and seek help when needed. A growth mindset enables you to view change, even when it's uncomfortable, as a chance to develop new skills and strengthen your character. Embrace this mindset and watch how it transforms your approach to life's challenges. Patience and persistence are your allies in the journey of change. Positive transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and dedication. When you're in the midst of change, especially when it feels challenging, remind yourself that progress often comes in small steps. Be patient with yourself and recognize that every effort you make counts. Persistence is equally important. Keep pushing forward even when it's tough. Remember why you started and what you're aiming to achieve. Celebrate the small victories along the way, as they are signs of your progress. With patience and persistence, you'll find that you can navigate through the initial discomfort and move toward your goals. Recognizing and celebrating progress over time helps you stay motivated and committed to your journey of change. It's important to acknowledge how far you've come, even if you haven't reached your final goal yet. Take time to reflect on the changes you've made and the challenges you've overcome. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, reinforces your efforts and boosts your morale. It reminds you that you're capable of making positive changes in your life. Remember, every step forward is a step toward your goal. By acknowledging and celebrating your progress, you fuel your journey with positivity and encouragement. Transforming challenges into long-term positives is the essence of embracing change. When you face challenges with a positive mindset, you turn them into opportunities for growth and development. Over time, the discomfort and uncertainty you initially felt become sources of strength and wisdom. You learn to adapt, become more resilient, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your capabilities. These experiences shape you into a stronger, more capable individual. So, when faced with challenges, remind yourself that they are not just obstacles, but catalysts for positive change, shaping you into the best version of yourself. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening. If today's episode resonated with you, I've created something to help you take the next small step. I've put together a series of better habit guides designed for people who feel behind in life and want a simple, practical reset without overwhelm. You can explore all of them at 7goodminutes.com/guides. That's 7goodminutes.com/guides.